Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Sewanee, Georgia, which is northwest of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Dwight Howard. His home is privately gated, siting on over 14 acres of land, and features magnificent interior details. The home has a 14-car garage, separate pool house, 5 kitchens, 20 HVAC units, 3 laundry rooms, saltwater pool with outdoor fireplace, attic with custom cabinetry, elevator, service access driveway, and underground tunnel that connects to the detached garages with main house. The home was custom built for a reported $40 million, but the owner never moved in. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.